Hi everyone, this is Shashidhar. Today I am going to explain the topic is how to design a beautiful 2-bedroom independent house in 30 by 40 east facing site. Okay, now I'll open the site and explain you how to design. So this is the site in 30 the length is 40 feet and the width is 30 feet. This is a completely side boundaries and this is completely east facing. Now before we have to start the design, we have to note a paper what exactly the requirements to be designed. Okay, so I will start like this. My requirements is 2-bedroom. My each bedroom is minimum 120 square feet and living room it is 150 square feet and a kitchen, toilets, puja room and parking staircase. This is my basic requirements in the 2-bedroom house. So based on this, I have to start designing one by one and I have to keep my minimum space requirements. So I'll explain the step by step how we have to start. Okay, we have to leave the setbacks all around the building. See, this is I have to leave the setbacks. Why the setbacks is required? This is for ventilation purpose and for all toilet sanitary lines we have to pass and opening of door, opening of windows. So for these requirements we have to leave all round the setbacks. My design I left completely 2 feet in all round. This is the first step, and the second and important step, we have to decide in which facing you are looking the main door. This is a basic and important. A lot of people have different options like east facing, north facing and south facing. So according to the facing, we have to design the parking. So in our case, and most of the people likes east facing, so I designed the east facing based on that my facing east facing. I designed according to that I designed the parking and the staircase without disturbing the other activities. So this is in east facing. So my here is that I have to put the door in east facing and based on that parking. I'll show you now. Now this picture. Now my door is in east facing I provided and this is the car parking I provided here, and in this car parking some tank I provided here. So this is a basic requirement. So my main gate is here. So once enter the car from the road, I can park here, and from after the parking I have to enter into the building, and the staircase I was designed here, so that this is without disturbing all other activities I designed here. I'll show you next. So this here I provided for the staircase. So my first step is here. From my 14th step, I am going to reach on 7 feet level here so that people can keep the washing completely below the landing and I can reach the first floor here. So this is my staircase and this is my parking now. My next step, that is the third step. In third step is the important step from the main door. From the main door I have to enter into the living room. The living room is very important role plays in a house. So this we have to design a beautiful and so I have to design the living room according to from the main entrance. The living room is I designed here. This is the completely living room. So this is one of the important steps for the living room. Now after my living room, I have to design beautiful bedrooms based on the vastu, and bedrooms with toilets and wardrobe, everything we have to keep. So now I'll start the designing from the bedroom. One bedroom is here and the second bedroom is here. I have the wall space here. I'll show you now. See, this is the bedrooms I was designed. This is one as per the vastu also it is designed. So one bedroom is here and the second bedroom is here, and I can provide a toilet here. One toilet I can provide here. This is a step. This is a fifth step. Now the fifth step is from the living room. I have to access the kitchen. I have to design the kitchen based on the Vastu, and it should be very neatly ventilation we have to provide. So this is the ideal space, and as per Vastu also this is very nice place to design the kitchen, and I can provide the nice ventilation to for ventilation. Okay, now I'll show you the how to design my basic requirements. Now you are looking, this is the kitchen. So the kitchen, very nice space. It is 8 feet by 10 feet we've taken, and this kitchen we can provide nice ventilation also. The next step, we have to choose. Now our parking is completed, and staircase is completed, and living room is completed, and 2 bedrooms also completed, one toilet is completed, and another toilet I can provide here. So the last and final thing, and I have to design the puja room. So puja room I can able to provide here. If I provide here, again my hall is going to be smaller. If I have taken here, it is going to disturbance, and if I provide here, it is also disturbance. The best position for taking a puja room, either here or I can design here also. I'll show you now. See, this is the puja room. This plan I am showing the puja room here, and I provided the bedroom door here, and one more bedroom door here, kitchen door is here, and toilet door here, main door here, and the puja room door here. And I extended little for wardrobe. Here also I extended for wardrobe, and here I taken till the end of the side, edge of the side in back side, because my requirements has to meet. And for 2 bedrooms completely I taken. This is the basic plan. The next step, we have to provide the completely windows. The 2 windows I taken for the living room, so that nice ventilation can enter. And here I am not providing the windows because the TV unit has to keep here. That's the reason I did not provide any windows here. And my bedroom, one window I can provide here. One more bedroom I can provide the window here, and my toilet window here, ventilation is here, and my kitchen ventilation is here, and this toilet ventilation also here. So almost all the plan, all the bedrooms and the toilets and kitchen, I provided the ventilation. Now we have to design the interiors. The interiors is very, very, very important role plays in the house. So I have to design the interiors according to that. So I can show now. You are looking for the completely finishing the plan and hatching interiors. If I enter here, I can give the sink is here, and I can provide the stove is here, exhaust or suck or directly completely. And my toilet interiors, my once the open the door, my wash basin, my shower, and my EWC, and my TV unit is here, my sofa set is here, and my puja is here, and my bed, the position is here, and my wardrobe is here, and here also one bedroom and wardrobe I provided, and my parking. This is the final finishing of the 2-bedroom independent house and design. You please contact my. Please share the video and send us the comments about the video so that I can reply in the comment section. Please subscribe the channel so that you will get many more videos about the construction and design tips and many more interior designs. Thank you. Bye soon. Bye bye.